I think it's time for the YouTube trade of the day.
Are you trying to change the name to the YouTube trade of the day? Because sometimes it's a study, sometimes it's a trade. But I like it, Jenny.
Well, we don't have a study. We do not have a study today. So since
No,
we
I know. That's why we can't always call it the YouTube trade. Well, today it's a YouTube trade of the day, so let's do it.
today, the YouTube trade of the day. I have ZB pulled up here. You can see bonds are in the 112 handle. They're pretty low, and so I thought of putting on a bullish trade in bonds, but not using ZB, instead using TLT. So today we're going to walk through a bullish zebra in TLT.
And a zebra is a zero extrinsic back ratio, and it is a synthetic stock replacement. So it actually works very well in TLT. It's a good product for it because if you go through and you're selling premium, this holds up quite a bit of capital for selling premium without a lot of the risk reward scenario doesn't set up in TLT. So this is a pretty good zebra candidate if you have a bullish assumption on it.
I agree. There's not a ton of premium in TLT to just sell puts. It's using a lot of buying power. Not a great return on capital. So I like the zebra or the zero extrinsic back ratio. It'll give you synthetic stock. It will replicate 100 shares of stock. If I bought 100 shares of TLT, that's going to use $4,292 in
a margin account.
Yeah, or $8,500 in a cash secured account. That's a lot of money.
In a cash secured account. And so keep in mind, I trade a couple accounts, but one of them is an IRA. And in my IRA, because I can be bullish or bearish if I put a zebra on, I almost exclusively use this as a stock replacement in my IRA. Because cash secured accounts, if I'm going to buy TLT, it's $8,582.
For 100 shares. For 100 shares. So let's replicate getting long 100 shares in TLT. And we're going to do it for a fraction of the cost.
Pennies on the dollar.
So, okay, I'm going to jump in. I'm honestly, 15 days I think is too short. If May had over 20 days, we'd probably go to May. I think 15 days is just not enough time. And we want to stick with the monthlies.
I'm okay with June.
Okay, so this is going to be a 49-day trade. 49-day trade, we're going to control 100 long shares of TLT. So back to the trade page, open up these June options. How do I set up a zebra? I'm going to set this column to delta. We're going to use delta, make it really simple.
We are going to walk through it with a delta, but the crux of it is wash extrinsic value. So it's always going to be around about a 57, like 50, 70, but just keep in mind, common sense needs to kick in. All you're trying to do is wash extrinsic value.
Okay, so if I sell, I'm going to sell one 50 delta call. So here's the 48 delta, the 86 call. I'm going to sell one 50 delta call, and I'm going to buy two 70 delta calls. Here's a 70 delta call, the 84, buy two of those. What I'm trying to do is get this green bar or my break even.
Yeah, you got to toggle it. Perfect. Okay, good. You did
it's right, yeah, it's right there. Oh, hold on.
No, with the zebra, sometimes you just got to move it because we aren't washing all the extrinsic value.
So, and that's what we want to do with a zebra. If I go to the analysis page, we want to start making money where the stock is. And here's the little red flag. That's where the stock is. And we are green. The stock goes up, we start making money.
Yeah. So look at this, and anywhere to the upside for the next 49 days. So instead of in my IRA using $8,500 to control 100 shares of TLT, I'm using $368. I need to be very clear. I'm not going to use all 8,000 and do the multiple of this zebra. That's not how I roll.
But let me see. I'm going to pull out my calculator, and if we wanted to put $8,000 divided by 368, we could put on 22 zebras. But to your point,
that's not how we roll. That is not the use of this. What the use of this is saying this is defined risk. So I can control 100 shares of TLT with the risk of wheels fall off scenario. TLT drops to, 60. All I can lose is $368.
I mean, I don't foresee TLT falling to 60. We got real world problems if TLT is at 60. The chance of it falling there is 0%. But even if it falls to 78, our risk is only this $369 that we're paying for this long long 2 calls, short 1 call position, it will replicate 100 shares of stock to the upside as TLT goes up. Every dollar it goes up, this trade will make $100. So if TLT runs back up to 90, this trade would make $400.
This is a true stock replacement strategy that only smart options traders will know how to use. If you said this to somebody, they would be like, okay, you can control 100 shares of TLT. Let me give you the resume of this, Jenny. You can control 100 shares of an $85 stock for the next 49 days. It will be defined risk, meaning you can only lose $368. And you have 1-for-1 unlimited profit potential to the upside for the next 49 days. People would not believe that.
No, honest to God, Liz, to think for $366, that's what my dinner cost last night. Could have not gone out to dinner last night and spent $366 on a TLT Zebra. I'll choose that. Thank you.
I know. I'll go through the drive-through and I want a TLT Zebra, please.
So $366, $367 to have 100 shares of TLT for 49 days. Great, especially since we're making, coming very close to lows that we haven't seen.
No, right, and we're coming close to lows, but we're not saying this is going to make money. TLT could stay right here and we don't lose any money. You washed extrinsic value. So if TLT stays right here, you don't make any money, but you don't lose any money. That's why the washing of extrinsic value is kind of important, because if it stays here, it's still no harm, no foul.
Now, if people are confused by this Zebra, this long 2, short 1, you can go to tastylive.com. So here I am, tastylive.com, and you go to shows.
Yep.
Right over to Liz and Jenny's strategy series.
These are strategies that we created.
And here we have this zero extrinsic back ratio. That is the Zebra. So this will go over in detail very slowly the mechanics of this strategy. A stock replacement strategy, you can do calls, use calls and have a bullish trade. You can use puts and have a bearish trade. We go over that in this video. So the video's a little bit dated. We might look a little younger in it. But
2023 is not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
No.
I can guarantee I will be blonder in it. That I do know.
My hair's shorter in it, but it's a good video on how to set up the zero extrinsic back ratio. And we're gonna press this button and send this in TLT and have a 49-day bullish position in TLT. What are we looking to make out of this trade, Liz?
Whatever this is, we get this question all the time. Whatever you would sell TLT for. If I bought TLT at $85.79, where's my profit target? Personally, where would I take off a stock trade?
Right. Where would I take it off? So if TLT opens up tomorrow at $86.79, this will be we'll have made $100 on the trade. If I'm okay with $100 on this trade, then I'll close the trade.
Yeah.
So we'll see. We'll keep an eye on it. But now we're long TLT for the next 49 days. And that is our YouTube trade of the day.